Hey, what's goody guys? It's your boy Deabrew back at it again with another video, y'all feel me? I know we haven't been posting a video in quite a while now, so we've only been posting shorts, but we're back to videos. And guys, today's unboxing video is going to be one of them special unboxing videos, and I know we haven't done a special unboxing video in quite a while. And before we get into today's video, make sure y'all hit the subscribe button, because we're so close to 2,000 subscribers, so make sure y'all hit the subscribe button. And happy spring break, by the way. I know some of us have spring break, but if y'all's spring break didn't come yet, then I hope y'all have a good spring break whenever it does. And for the people who are already currently in spring break, hope y'all are having a good spring break so far. You know, spring break just started, so yeah. So guys, as you guys may know, a while back I got a Samsung S26 Ultra, and we did an unboxing video of it. Yeah, okay, and let me tell y'all, I've been waiting for this product to come out for ages, dude. So, I got a package that came in the mail today. I got a package that came in the mail. And guess what? I think y'all already know what's up, dude. Y'all already know I had to get the Samsung S26 Ultra, dude. Y'all already know I had to get that. Y'all already know, bro. I've been waiting for this phone to come out in ages, dude. Like, I didn't want to get the S25 because, like, it just, like, didn't feel like the right time to change phones back then. You know what I'm saying? But now, dude, I got the S26 Ultra. Y'all feel me? Like, oh, you already know your boy had to get it. Okay, all right, let's open it up. All right, hold on. 3, 2, 1. Oh, yo, look at that. I know y'all see that. Hold on, you know what? Hold on. Okay, I don't know if that really made a difference, but oh. Okay, that probably made a difference. Okay, but look at that. Look at that. I know y'all see that, bro. Oh my god. Hey, this is the first impression of the phone right here. We got the black. Y'all feel me? Hold on. That is clean. That is clean, dude. Ooh. Yo. That is fresh. Alright. Okay. You know what? Y'all ready? Alright, ready? Holy! Look at that crisp new screen right there. I know y'all see that. Yo, the black one's actually tough. I'm not gonna lie with you. So, as y'all may know, the cameras almost look the same, and remind y'all, they took away like the sharp corners that they had with the S22, the S23, and the S24. They had like the square corners. They apparently took that off, and now we have like the round corners now. And the camera, it looks a little bit different with the, y'all feel me, like the circle thingamajig. I don't know what to call it, but yeah, but like, hey, let's turn it on for the first time. All right, y'all ready? Y'all ready? Okay. Oh, there we go. Y'all see that? Hold on. Come on. Powered by Android. Okay, yeah. Oh yeah, and let me know, which team are y'all on? Are y'all on Android? Are y'all on Team Android, or are y'all on Team Apple? I'm pretty sure most of y'all are on Team. Oh, y'all see that? I know y'all see that. Welcome. Yo, that is sick. Yo. Okay, guys, so we're gonna get this set up in a little while. But for now, we're gonna keep this precious phone to a side. Y'all feel me? We're gonna keep it to a side. So guys, this is indeed what the S26 looks like right now. The camera quality, I'm literally recording on the S26 right now, and I think y'all may see a difference. I don't know, y'all may see a difference from the S24 to the S26, but what I'm recording on right now is basically on the S26 right now, and I mean, I see a difference myself, but I don't know about y'all. Do y'all see a difference, or do y'all see it the same? But let me just show y'all around. Y'all know what I'm saying? First video on the S26, y'all feel me? Yeah. So yeah, so far the S26 is a real good phone. I would highly recommend it. And not to mention, this phone also comes with a stylus, so you can like write on here as well. And here's a little word for you right here. Subscribe, y'all feel me? Because we're so close to 2,000 subscribers, y'all feel me? So this pen also comes with the stylus. Let's put the pen back in the phone here, because we don't want it to get lost, because that would be a problem. But yeah. Okay, and guys, I know y'all may think that might be it, but that's not all. So not only did I get the Samsung phone, but I also got the Galaxy Watch 8. Y'all feel me? Hey, and I never had a Galaxy Watch before, so this might be cool because I never experienced of having a Galaxy Watch. I don't know like how to work it. I don't know like what's it about, like what can you do with it, but I guess we gotta like, you know, just try it out and find out. So like, and I was not cause as y'all may know, like last time I got my S24 Ultra, I never like had like a Galaxy Watch. But I mean, that's besides the point. But yeah, as I said, this is my first time having a Galaxy Watch, so I don't really like know what to expect. But all right, y'all ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh, there it is. There's the main part of the watch right there. There's the main part of the watch. There it is. There it is. There's the main part of the watch right there. Oh my yo. So obviously y'all can see me recording. Yo, what's up? Okay, so it comes with a charger like this. Y'all feel me? The charger looks like this, and these are the bands that you attach on the watch. So the bands look like this. So I'm gonna try to attach it on the watch. Y'all feel me? Okay guys, so I literally have my watch on right now. As you guys can see, this is what the Galaxy 8 watch looks like on a wrist. And this watch can do pretty amazing things. For instance, you can literally go to your gallery and it just shows you pictures that you can upload from your phone. And as you can see, that's me at the park right there. As you can see, by some beautiful flowers. All that, y'all feel me? Yeah. So basically you can just upload pictures from your phone and you can put it into the watch. You can also access your camera, but you gotta go through your phone for that. So, and you can access videos, you can go into WhatsApp, you can download stuff from the Play Store. You can also dial a number if you want to. And you can access your contacts, you can check your heart rate, you can do all that, do the running times, all that. You can check the weather, the day, the time, all that. Well, no, duh, that's basically what a watch is. And it also has a calculator. And you can also, you know, like, customize your ringtones, y'all feel me? Like, the sound and vibrations. It can vibrate if you want to. And the call vibration, all that stuff. And notification vibration, and this is and you can also, like, choose your ringtones and all that. That's basically my ringtone right there. Sounds a little, you know, it's you know, like, just calm and basic. And my notifications, you can also do your notification tones as well. So you can pick any one, but this is my one. The dewdrop. So yeah. You know, it's pretty basic. I mean, it's a watch after all, but overall, this watch is pretty handy. I mean, but overall, this watch is pretty handy if you like don't have your phone on you or anything. You can use a watch. I mean, I do tend to like find it hard just to like walk around using like just having my phone in my hand, cause pretty much my hands get full if I have one hand full already. So yeah, overall, this watch is good quality, and I would highly recommend y'all get the Galaxy Watch 8 if y'all are planning to, cause I'm telling you, it's all worth it. So guys, this is what the Samsung S26 camera quality looks like, y'all feel me? And just to show a comparison, this is what the Samsung S24 camera quality looks like, cause I was literally recording from my S24 Ultra, literally at the beginning of the video when I was doing the unboxing. I was recording on my S24 Ultra, so that's what the S24 camera quality looks like compared to this camera quality, the S26 Ultra. Let me know which one y'all think is better. But yeah, guys, and also, as I said at like the middle of the video, you can literally like access all this neat stuff right here. They got camera, gallery, they got Play Store, all that neat stuff. You can call people. You can access your contacts. You can message. Like, they got Google Maps. You can check the weather. You can set a date. You can set a timer. All that stuff. You can go to your gallery. Like, you can literally access your gallery photos from your phone on this watch. And you can even add some photos on here too. They got WhatsApp, they got all that neat stuff, they got Gemini, all that. So this is perfect because that way if you have this watch, you don't always need to have your phone on you. So like, and this is good for like all like the runners out there, you know, if you're going for a run and all that, you know, it's kind of like hard to like, I mean, it's kind of a little too much to just be having your phone in your hand and running at the same time, because who knows what could happen. Like, you could accidentally trip and then your phone could slip out of your hand, it could break, all that mess. So, and if you try to put it in your pocket, it's gonna be like a little weight on your shorts, so like, or pants. But if you have a watch, it's gonna be easy because you can just check your wrist like that. You can listen to music, you can do all that type of stuff, dude. So that's good. And yeah, guys, so far the S26 is good quality, like good camera, all that, everything is neat, and so is the watch. Cause I mean, at first when I was planning to do the unboxing video, I didn't think we were gonna get a watch, but we got it for like a good price. So they had like a special discount for the watch if we got the S26 Ultra. So, you know, we were like, you know, why not? Cause I myself need a watch, because I don't be like, you know, every time I go out for runs, I gotta like carry my phone in my hand, and then sometimes it slips out and stuff. So the good part is at least we got that covered. But yeah, guys, so that's gonna be it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure y'all hit the subscribe button. We're so close to 2,000 subscribers. Y'all feel me? Let's try to get there. And yeah, with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video.